Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and we're going to go over the first 5 notes that you learn when you play the trumpet. Now get your trumpet and play along. The first note we're going to learn is G, and it's on the second line of the treble clef staff. G is an open note, which means we're not going to press down any of these valves. G sounds like this. Remember to keep your tongue up in your mouth and to say T to get a great sound. If you're playing this open note G and it's not sounding like a G, you're probably playing a C instead. C is also an open note. It's actually on a ledger line below the staff. C sounds like this. The next note we're going to learn is F. F is on the first space of the treble clef staff. When we play F, we have to press down our first valve all the way and hold it while we play. F sounds like this. E is our next note we're going to learn on the trumpet, and it is on the bottom line of the treble clef staff. When we play E on the trumpet, we have to press down both the first and the second valves at the same time. E sounds like this. We're on our fourth note. We're almost done. D is our next note, and D is a note that actually hangs below the staff. When we play D on the trumpet, we're going to press down our first valve and our third valve using these fingers. D also requires us to shoot out our third valve slide when we play. That makes the note be more in tune. You can really only move your slide easily if you actually have that valve pressed down. So once we press down our third valve, we can move our third valve slide very easily. It won't move very easily if we don't have the third valve pressed. So pull that out a little bit when you play D. Remember to keep your tongue up in your mouth and to say T. The last note we're learning is actually one we learned just a minute ago, C. It's the same fingering as G, but we're just going to loosen our lips a little bit to get C. C is on the ledger line below the staff. Now let's try playing all the notes together. We're going to start at G, our highest note, and go down to F, E, D, then C. If you get discouraged or have some trouble, that's totally okay. Many beginners struggle playing all these notes. Now we're going to go from C, our lowest note, up to G, our highest note. Congratulations, you've learned the first 5 notes of the trumpet. Now take your trumpet out and go practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.